Hi everybody, this is Mirav, and today I'm going to teach you how to add a transition ad to your site using ijoomla ad agency. What transition means is that this ad will take the entire space, the entire window, and your visitors won't be able to do anything unless they click on the close ad link. So this is a very good way to grab somebody's attention, but also you have to be careful to not overuse it so that you won't annoy them as well. So let's create an example and see how it looks like. So on the left side, under Add New Ads, we're going to choose Transition. And we're going to give it a descriptive name. For example, Cool Car. And we're going to choose an advertiser. We're going to leave the status as approved. And the zone, we're going to choose a zone that you have to create a zone that's specifically for pop-ups, transition, and floating ads, and this zone should be in should have nothing in it except it will just be there just for displaying those kind of ads. But right now I only have one zone, so I'm going to select this one. If you want to show the ad only on specific pages that have specific keywords in the title meta tag, you can enter the keywords here. Just make sure that the zone that you've selected also has keywords enabled. Here on properties, you will choose the border of this ad. I like giving it a very thick border. Here you can enter a color or select from the list of colors. Let's give it a nice gray kind of border. The background I'm going to leave as white. And here you can select the frequency of how often you want to show this transition ad. Like I said, you don't want to annoy your visitors. So you can select once a day, once a week, once a month, once a year, or every time. I'm going to select once a week because I don't want to annoy anybody. So here you can enter anything. This is an HTML editor. You can enter images, text, links, whatever you want. So I want to add an ad for a car. So I'm just going to upload a picture of a really cool car I found. And I'm going to select it. Here it is. I'm not going to set because I want it to show in the center. And here's my car. Now if you want to link it somewhere, just click on the car and enter the link here. Just enter the URL, whatever you want here on the link URL, and select the target, open in a new window. Now that I have this car available, you can also enter any text here next to the car. This is something that you need to do. And then the next thing you want to do, if you want to assign this ad to show only specific locations, you can choose it here. For example, in specific countries, states, cities. You can click on the view video tutorial here to see how this is done. And lastly, you have to select a campaign where this ad is going to be displayed on. If you don't have any campaign assigned, the ad is not going to show on the front end. Here is showing you a list of all the ads for this particular advertiser. Right now there's only one, so you have to select at least one campaign and then click Save, and let's see how it looks like on the front end. So here it is on the front end. As you can see, this image is way too big, so we need to resize it. But as you can see, it took the entire space, of the page. So people will have to look at it, will have to see it, and then decide if they want to click on to read about this car or not. And if they don't, they just click on Close Ad, and they're back to the site. So this is a transition ad. Use it carefully and enjoy. Thanks for watching.